Hey guys, welcome back into my channel. I'm currently at the skirts of the Vitosha Mountain. You can tell by the snow. I have come here to show you the Bells Monument, Kambanite, which is part of the Bulgarian cultural heritage. And the monument itself was established in 1979, the year which was declared by the United Nations as the International Year of the Children. The event, which was called the Flag of Peace, was meant to be a single event, but due to its success, the organizers UNESCO, UNICEF and the countries which participated in the first event decided to prolong it and make regular festivals every 3 years. And then they stopped in 1989. But while it lasted, it was a really nice opportunity for the Bulgarian children to meet up with children from other countries. And all the bells that you can see over here are gifts from the different countries. The Bells Monument, Kambanite, is located in the suburbs of Sofia near the Vitosha Mountain. You can go there by bus, metro or taxi. This park brings back memories from my childhood. I was good at art and I took part in the first 2 assemblies. The art events were organized under the motto Unity, Creativity and Beauty, and the initiative was very successful. After the fall of the communist regime in 1989, the park was neglected, the events were discontinued and some of the bells went missing. Los Niños de Mexico, from the Children of Mexico. This is actually one of my favorite bells. Bulgarian bell. Vietnam. China. Very unusual one. The monument is 37 meters high, and if you look carefully, you will see a hollow sphere representing the planet Earth, and inside this sphere there are 7 bells that represent the 7 continents united, a symbol of peace. Apparently, ringing the bells is not allowed unless you are a child, and I was lucky there were several children visiting at the same time as me, and I could hear the sounds of the different bells. The Flag of Peace was such a great festival. There were a few attempts to re-establish the events, but sadly with no success. And even though the times have changed, we still need initiatives that would unite the children of the world, because the children are our future. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next adventure. Bye bye.